Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Another way you can make your site responsive is by making sure your text scale perfectly, no matter what device your users use. So in this video, we're going to learn how to scale your texts automatically or manually. An important thing you should know in the Wix Studio Editor, your text is already automatically set to scale in proportion to the screen size of your users. However, you can also manually set your preferred minimum and maximum values yourself. Perfect if you need precise control. So to do that, click on any text you want to work on, and on the inspector panel here on the right, look for the responsive behavior dropdown. Here you'll see several options to choose from. But in our case, since we would like to set our minimum and maximum values, we're going to select Custom Scale. Now scroll down to the font size section, and here input your maximum value and your minimum value. And that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.